Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Avalanche wallet using SnowTrace transaction history. To back up your Avalanche wallet using SnowTrace transaction history, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the SnowTrace website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter your Avalanche wallet address into the search bar and press enter. You will be directed to a page displaying your wallet's transaction history. Review the transaction history to ensure you have the correct wallet. Next, scroll down to see all recent transactions. Take note of the transaction hashes listed. Click on each transaction hash to view detailed information. You will find essential details such as the date, amount, and transaction status. To back this information up, open a text editor on your device. Copy and paste the transaction details from SnowTrace into your text editor. Be sure to also note down any relevant notes or tags for future reference. Save the document with a clear and recognizable name. Once saved, ensure this document is stored in a secure location. Consider using cloud storage or an encrypted USB drive for added security. Regularly update this backup as new transactions occur in your wallet. This will ensure you always have the latest information on hand. By following these steps, you can easily back up your Avalanche wallet using SnowTrace transaction history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.